The refractive index of the material of a prism is √2 and the angle of prism is 30 degree. One of the two refracting surface of the prism is made a mirror inward by silver coating. A beam of monochromatic light entering the prism from the other face will retrace its path after reflection from the silver surface. If its angle of incidence of the prism is, okay, so we need to calculate the angle of incidence. Okay, we have a prism. Prism angle is 30 degree. So A is equal to 30 degree. One surface is silver coated. So here, okay, now this face will behave like a plane mirror. When a ray incident normally on this surface, it will retrace its path. Okay, so here I'm trying to draw up. So this angle must be 90 degree. So then this ray retrace its path. So for this, I is equal to R is equal to 0. Here at this point, if I draw a normal, okay, so ray ऐसे गई होंगी. I don't know, right? Because angle of incidence we need to calculate. This is our angle of incidence. This point, let us say point P, and this is our angle of refraction. Okay, now here angle of prism is 30 degree. This angle is 90. So this angle we can calculate. It is 60 degree. Okay, 30 plus 90 plus 60, 180. Okay, now this is normal. तो ये एंगल क्या होना चाहिए? दिस एंगल मस्ट बी 90 डिग्री. तो दिस 60 means angle of refraction is equal to 30 degree, right? So at point P we can apply Snell's law. At point P, using Snell's law, we can write mu1 sine I is equal to mu2 sine R. Mu1 is 1 because for air refractive index is 1 and refractive index of this material of a prism is given √2. Angle of refraction R is 30 degree. So here 1 sine I is equal to mu2 is given, √2 sine R is 30 degree. So √2 sine 30 is 1/2. 1/2 can be written as √2 multiplied by √2. 1 √2 cancels, so it is 1 by √2. And here we have sine I. Okay, now sine 45 is 1 √2, so we can write sine I is equal to sine 45. So what is angle of incidence? Is 45 degree. So our option B is the correct answer.